Hi students, I'm Tufan. Welcome to CMI's digital classes. Today, further we will learn about chapter number 4, which is conversion of area. Till now, we have learned about the conversion of length and weight. Now, we will learn about how we can convert the area. So first, we should learn what an area is. So area means the part of a surface. Okay, suppose I want to ask you the area of this room. So how you will find out the area of this room is what is the length of this room and what is the breadth of this room. Whatever the length multiply breadth will be the area of this room, right? So this is how we have already learned how to find out the area of an square or area of a rectangle. Okay, so now we will learn how to convert the area. So for that, for smaller unit, we already know something that we are not revising again. But still, if you want, let's revise something which we have already learned in our previous class, that is class 4. So area is depending upon the particular units, whatever units we use. We can't definitely measure the area by kilogram or by using the measurement tools of capacity as like liter, milliliter. Okay, so definitely area, length, whatever the unit of length, okay, that will be the area of uh, this, unit of area also. Okay, so for example, here if I am talking about first conversion which we have is square meter into square centimeter. So first you just try to understand what is square meter means. Square meter means we used to write, for example, suppose I am writing 1 square meter. So in short we write 1 as QM. Okay, so we used to write 1 as QM. Some of the people used to write 1 meter square like this also. So meter square means 2 times meter. Why 2 times meter? Because one length also and one breadth also. Okay, so the length into breadth is the area. So that is why 2 times of the unit we used to write. That is why square meter we used to write. That is why meter square we used to write. So if I want to convert from meter to centimeter, so how we can convert? Let's see. So we know 1 meter square or 1 square meter is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter, right? So 1 meter square means 1 meter into 1 meter. Now we have already learned in class 4 that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? This we know. So can we put the value of 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter here? Definitely we can. So here 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So this is how it will be. 1 stands 100,000, 10,000 centimeter square or square centimeter. So 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. We can write this as 1 SQM is equal to 10,000 SQCM. So this is how you can convert meter into square centimeter. Okay, so let's take an example. So this is an example I am taking 14 decimal, where decimal is it. So 14 decimal 5 square meter into square centimeter we have to convert. So what we know is 1 square meter, here we will write in solution. We know 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeter. Okay, so if 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeter, so 14.5 square meter will be 14.5 into 10,000 square centimeter, right? So therefore 14 decimal 5 square meter is equal to 14 decimal 5 into this much of the square centimeter. So if you multiply this multiply 1 will be this much, 145. Okay, and 4 times 0, so 4 times 0. And here before one digit the decimal is here, so here also you have to put decimal before one digit. Okay, so this much of square centimeter. So the result will be this much. So 145,000 square centimeter will be the conversion of 14.5 square meter. Okay, so 14.5 square meter is equal to ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000 lakhs, 1 lakhs 45,000 square centimeter. Okay, so this is how you can convert square centimeter into square meter into square centimeter. Now we will discuss this opposite of that. Centimeter, square centimeter to square meter. Earlier we have discussed meter to centimeter, now centimeter to meters. Okay, so square centimeter to square meter, how can convert? Okay, so here we already know, we know 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeter. This we know, right? So just we can write this into this side and this into that side. So 10,000 square centimeter will be equal to 1 square meter, right? So if 10,000 square centimeter is equal to 1 square meter, and this will goes and divide this side for 1 square centimeter, so therefore 1 square centimeter is equal to 1 divided by this much, 1 divided by 10,000 square meter. Okay, so that means whatever the square centimeter we want to convert into square meter, we have to divide that number by 10,000. Okay, we have to divide that number by 10,000, and after that it will whatever the answer will come, that will be the conversions of square centimeter to square meter. In case of square meter to centimeter, we used to multiply by 10,000. Here we will divide by 10,000. Okay, so you have to practice a lots of questions so that you can able to solve, you can understand. Okay, then only you can solve. Let's take an example. Okay, for example, it is asking convert 59 decimal 67 square centimeter into square meter. This is the question, this is the number, this you have to convert into square meter. Okay, so as we know, 1 square centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10,000 square meter, right? So for 1 square centimeter this, so for this centimeter will this multiply this. Okay, so for 59 decimal 67 square centimeter, it will be 1 divided by 10,000 square meter, or square meter we will write later on, multiply this was 59.67, so 59.67 square meter. Okay, so 1 multiply this will be same, so it will be 59 decimal 67 divided by 10,000 square meter, right? So now if you divide this, the decimal, see, you have to check the decimal and you have to check the digit. Okay, so instead of 1 we will put decimal, 4 digit are here, so this decimal will move to 4 digit back, है ना? ये decimal 4 digit पहले आ जाएगा, 2 digit पहले तो है ही, और 2 digit पहले लाने के लिए और 2 हम लोग 0 बैठाएंगे यहाँ पे। अगर ये नहीं समझ में आता है तो आपको इसमें प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना। सही से ध्यान दीजिए, यहाँ पे 4 जीरो है, इसलिए हम लोग ये डेसिमल को यहाँ पे 4 डिजिट से पहले डेसिमल नहीं देंगे, ये डेसिमल यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी पहले से भी है, तो इसको हम लोग 4 डेसिमल पहले मूव करेंगे। 4 डेसिमल पहले मूव कैसे करेंगे, 2 डिजिट तो है ही, 2 डेसिमल पहले तो कर ही सकते हैं, उसके और 2 डिजिट पहले मूव करने के लिए और 2 हम लोग 0 ऐड करेंगे, तो ये नंबर हो जाएगा 0 डेसिमल इंस्टेड ऑफ 1 डेसिमल, दो जीरो आ जाएगा, 2 0, देन 5 9 6 7 स्क्वायर meter. Okay, so this is the most important thing for the converting centimeter into meter, to convert the fraction into decimal. Okay, if it is not given, decimal is not given, then here it should be 0.5967, but यहाँ पे decimal पहले से है, तो ये decimal हम लोग यहाँ से 4 डिजिट बैक मूव होगा। ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ से 4 डिजिट पहले डेसिमल दे देंगे, यहाँ से 4 डिजिट पहले हम लोग डेसिमल मूव करेंगे, जो नंबर होगा ये आंसर होगा। तो इस तरह से हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर को स्क्वायर मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विच वी हैव इज द कन्वर्जन ऑफ कैपेसिटी। कैपेसिटी मीन्स द वॉल्यूम ऑफ समथिंग। ओके, सो व्हेन इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट वॉल्यूम, देन डेफिनेटली it is talking about 3 things, which length, breadth and height also. Okay, so if 3 things are coming, length, breadth and height, then definitely here cubic means 3, power to the power 3, so cubic meters means either we used to write meter cube, okay, or we write CUM also, okay, in short cubic, CU for cubic, M for meter. Okay, so cubic meter or CUM. Okay, so suppose 1 cubic meter is there or 1 meter cube is there, and this you want to convert into cubic centimeter. So how you can convert? Okay, so we know 1 cubic meter means 1 meter to the power 3 means 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter, right? So here 1 cubic meter also will be equal to 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter, right? And now we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? This we are knowing, है ना? So अगर हम लोग जानते हैं कि 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर होता है, so we will put here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter in all the cases. So it will be 100 centimeter multiply 100 centimeter multiply 100 centimeter. Okay, so it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6, this much of centimeter cube or cubic, we can write cubic centimeter. Okay, so this is how you can convert cubic meter into cubic centimeter. Okay, so therefore we can write 1 cubic meter is equal to this much of cubic centimeter. How much? Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, okay, lakhs, 10 lakhs, so 1 lakhs. Okay, so 1 lakhs cubic centimeter. Okay, no, not 1 lakhs, 10 lakhs, na? Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. This is lakhs, but this is 10, so 10 lakhs. Okay, so this is how we can say 1 cubic meter is equal to 10 lakhs centimeter, cubic centimeter. Okay, so this is how you can convert cubic meter into cubic centimeter. Okay, now let's see just opposite of that, cubic centimeter to cubic meter. Before that, we will solve some questions also related to this. For let's see some examples related to this topic. So here one example. Okay, so this suppose I want to convert into cubic centimeter. Okay, so as we know, 1 cubic meter is equal to how much centimeter, cubic centimeter? Let's write first. So 1 cubic meter is equal to this much of 6 times 0. Okay, this much of cubic centimeter. Okay, so this is we are know. Okay, so if this 1 cubic meter is equal to this much of cubic centimeter, then definitely this much of cubic meter is equal to this much into this much of cubic centimeter, right? So therefore 216 decimal 48 cubic meter is equal to 216 decimal 48 multiply 1 and 6 times 0. Okay, this much of cubic centimeter, right? So this, if this multiply, then it will be definitely. See, before 2 digit here, if you remove the decimal, so here if you remove the decimal, then instead of decimal 1 and 2 0, so this 2 0, this 2 0 will cancel. Okay, so how much 0 will be left? 4 0. So after this digit, 4 0 will be the required answer. So 2 1 6 4 8 1 2 3 4. This much of cubic centimeter will be the conversion of meter into cubic meter into cubic centimeter. Okay, so first most important thing, we know 1 cubic meter is equal to this much of cubic centimeter. So this much of cubic centimeter will be this multiply this much of cubic centimeter. Here we are removing the decimal. So if we want to remove the decimal will be removed. Instead of decimal 1 and 2 digit is there, so 20 will be cancelled. So the remaining will be 216, decimal already removed, so 48, so 214648, and if you multiply with this, it will be this much. Okay, so this is how you can convert. Now just opposite of that, here we have learned about cubic meter to cubic centimeter. Now we will learn cubic centimeter into cubic meter. How can we convert? Okay, so first we know 1 cubic meter is equal to this much of cubic centimeter, right? So now we are writing, just exchanging, this side will write this one, this side will write this one. So 1 this much of cubic centimeter is equal to 1 cubic meter, right? So 1 cubic centimeter will be, this will goes and divide the side. So 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 divided by this much of cubic meter. Okay, so 1 cubic centimeter is equal to this much of cubic meter. You can convert this into decimal also. If you convert this into decimal, it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. So 5 digit you have to give 0 decimal 1 2 3 4 5 and 1. So this much of cubic meter. Okay, so this is how you can convert cubic meter into cubic centimeter also. So let's take an example. So for example, this is the question, this is asking this you have to convert into cubic meter. Okay, so to convert cubic meter, we know 1 cubic meter is equal to 1 divided by 6 times 0, this much of cubic centimeter, right? Sorry, this is cubic centimeter and this will be cubic meter. Okay, because 1 cubic meter is equal to this much of cubic centimeter. So this is the 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 divided by this much of cubic meter. Okay, so if 1 cubic meter is equal to this, then this much of cubic meter is equal to how much? It will be this divided by this, means this multiplied this is equal to same. So it will be, therefore 4183 decimal 45 cubic centimeter is equal to 4183 decimal 45 divided by 3456, this much of cubic meter. Okay, so now if you convert this into decimal, this decimal will displace before as much as 0 are here. So 6 0 are here, so 4 digit are here, 4 digits, so 2 more 0 you have to give to make this 6 digit. So that means answer will be 0.004184183415, this much of cubic meter. This much of cubic meter will be the conversion of this cubic centimeter into cubic meter. So this is how you can solve the rest of all questions of this chapter. So with this we have finished up to chapter number 4. Okay, so your homework is exercise 4.3 and 4.4. If you have any doubts up to exercise 4.4, you can ask anytime. Thank you. Have a good time and take care.